guys did join us. Thank you. All right, hanging out with Mr. James Polony. Very cool of you guys. Now, right now, someone shaved off this guy's eyebrows. Not cool, so we need to add some. So what it does help me, I use the eyebrow pencil technique also for men's eyebrows, just to kind of get the basic shape. Here's the eyebrow pencil here. Here's the eyebrow pencil here. Here's the eyebrow pencil here. So that's going to show how they're angled. But men usually aren't tweezing their eyebrows as much unless they're metrosexual, which is totally fine. But usually they're not making them as thin. Usually, if anything, they're getting rid of the unibrow in the middle, so you can make the eyebrows a little bit thicker. But you don't want to make the eyebrows too thick, because if you do that, it's going to look like your guy is in a boy band. It's going to look like one of the Jonas Brothers back in the day. And here's the reason why. When boys are going through puberty, when they are teenagers, you've probably seen this before, it's hilarious seeing a kid in their younger teens, because when a boy grows into a man, not all of their face grows into a man at the same time. So one of the common things you'll see with a young boy is as they start going through puberty, their eyebrows is one of the first things to turn into a man. So it's always hilarious seeing a kid going through puberty where he still has a little kid's face, but then has these monster like men eyebrows, right? So that's why you want to be careful if you make the eyebrows a little bit, oh, and he's raising his eyebrow. He's like, well, hello, sailor.
Say what?
So we'll, again, you don't want to draw the bushy eyebrows. You really just want to draw a general shape that's happening, and that will give you the eyebrows. Now, there's one more thing. If your face still isn't looking masculine, you can't figure out what it is, there is a fail-safe that you can do, and that is you can add some kind of facial hair. Even James has this, look at that, that is awesome. Adding some kind of facial hair, obviously like a mustache or a beard or something like that. What I like to do, I always like to turn all of my people into like Bruce Willis from a Die Hard movie, and I simply add the 5 o'clock shadow. And if you do like this stippling, wherever the beard and mustache would be growing, it just looks like they're too busy saving the world than to bother with shaving all the time. James, what do you got? Does this look like Bruce Willis, or is this more like Vin Diesel, or is this,
I want to say Vin Diesel.
This kind of looks like an Asian actor. Is this Chow Yun Fat or something? What?
No, that's pretty much after the Avatar saves the world, and he's like, well, I'm gonna take some vacation days, and he just takes a week off and doesn't bother shaving anything.
Am I completely?
Look, so you gonna draw the arrow? There you go.
Did I just ruin it?
No.
That's what it looks like,
Yeah,
right?
that is officially what it looks like.
So you guys need to come back, hang out with me and James one more time, because we're going to talk about how light and shadow, this looks like a coloring book, so we're going to talk about how light and shadow can really make this look a lot more three-dimensional. Come back one more time. Before you do, you should be liking all of these videos and all that stuff. What else should they be doing?
Leaving comments.
Leaving comments on what you want to see on future videos, and also subscribe. What's that thing?
A little notification bell.
You guys will like it, because then you'll know, oh my gosh, a new video.
We can share it.
And share it. You guys need to share all these. All right, come back.